How to make peach, lemon, ginseng juice at home. To make peach, lemon, ginseng juice at home, you can follow the instructions for each individual drink recipe and then blend the strained liquid with ice to make a refreshing and healthy juice. Here's how you can do it. Ingredients: peach drink, recipe from previous answer. Lemon drink, recipe from previous answer. Ginseng drink, recipe from previous answer. Ice cubes. Instructions. 1. Make each of the 3 drinks following their respective recipe instructions. 2. Allow the 3 drinks to cool to room temperature. 3. In a blender, add equal parts of each drink and a handful of ice cubes. 4. Blend the mixture until smooth. 5. If the juice is too thick, you can add more water or ice cubes and blend again until it reaches your desired consistency. 6. Pour the juice into glasses and serve immediately. You can adjust the sweetness and tartness of the juice by adding more or less honey and lemon juice to the individual drinks before blending them together. You can also experiment with different ratios of each drink to create your own unique flavor profile. Enjoy your homemade peach, lemon, ginseng juice. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.